Oh, the weather outside is frightful, and the fire's not delightful. Let me tell you something. Right now, the weather is not frightful. The weather is highly dangerous. It's November 7th, Santa, and you know what? I'd rather be in here with you making pinwheel cookies or eating them, but I'd rather learn how to make them with the Crumb Boss.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Hi, Crumb Boss. Where are you filming tonight?
I just gotta grab my spray bottle of water. I forgot it. My dough was sticking to the table.
Dough. Again, she's on the dough, you guys.
We need a lot of dough.
We need a lot of dough. So right now we're making Christmas pinwheel cookies with Santa Claus. Isn't this cute? I was at CVS tonight before I came here because I had to buy M&Ms, and I saw this on the shelf and I bought them.
Doesn't he do something like turn them on? Or
Gretchen's afraid of them.
No, I'm she's afraid of them.
Yes, you are. You're making me take it. Making me take it home. Making me take it home.
Oh, I got stuff all over me?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I just think these things are stupid.
Okay.
And a waste of money.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
It's mine.
I know. And I just, you know, I'm glad that it's yours and not mine.
I'm going to take it home. It's like Elf on a Shelf. It's Santa on the Crumb Boss set.
Yeah.
Elf
all right. Let's make pinwheel cookies. Don't they look more like Dr. Seuss cookies, though?
Yeah.
Like them.
Yeah. Who's
Anyway.
Dr. Seuss?
Cat in a Hat.
Oh.
Sam I Am? Do you like green eggs and ham? What do you mean, who's Dr. Seuss?
Well, I thought, because Gretchen, I'm all over the
It's
place.
my family doctor. I went to see him. I had a little cough the other day.
My
Dr. Seuss.
My doctor, I think, what was the name of my doctor who delivered me? I don't know. We had a funny name, like Shaboomchak. My mother knows. Like Dr. Shaboomchak was his name.
I believe that.
Dr. Shaboomchak. Who delivered you?
I delivered myself. Alright, come on, let's make pinwheel cookies.
Alright, go ahead.
You guys need to go back and mix the recipe. I recommend the recipe that I use for my checkerboard cookies. I think it's a lot better. It's a lot more pliable and easier to work with than the other cookie dough on crumbboss.com. So go ahead and mix that recipe. This time, though, rather than splitting it in half and coloring one piece chocolate and one piece plain like we did for checkerboard, you're going to still split it in half and color one piece green or red, but I did green. And then you're going to roll them out, both pieces equally. This is probably about 12 by 10.
Could we see the other side, please?
Yeah, that's the white side here.
Cool. Okay.
So what you do is roll out the white one first to 12 by 10, and then you roll out the green one and stick them to each other.
Like with what, glue?
Yeah, you put some Elmer's glue in there and you just stick it together. No glue. They will stick to each other. When you put one on top of the other, the dough is soft and sticky and they will stick to each other.
Okay.
If you do have a trouble where you guys feel like your dough is separating a little bit, take a little spritz of water like I have here, and you can kind of like, you know, just like spritz the dough to get it a little bit more tacky, and then they will definitely stick to each other.
Okay.
All right, and what I'm going to do is just trim off the edge here.
Yeah.
Don't throw this out, guys. I'm going to show you what I do with that after.
All right.
This is the trickiest part of it, really. The most important step for me, I feel, is to get this first little, what is this I'm doing? This first roll has to be very tight.
Okay.
Because that's going to be the center of the pinwheel. See how nice and tight I have that swirl?
Oh, yeah.
So that's this piece right here. And you don't want to just, you know, you don't want to just like fold over a big piece of it.
Yeah,
you
like
want
a piece of carpet.
Yeah, right. We're not rolling up a carpet.
Yeah, we're rolling up a cookie.
All right. So once you get that piece, then it's a little bit easier to just keep rolling it up like that.
Okay.
All right. And
now you got some squirty out here.
Yeah, we're going to trim that. But like I said, don't throw it away because I'm going to show you. Now what I like to do too is get that little spritz of water in there again because that's going to make this seal.
Okay.
And then your cookies won't like split open in the oven, like, because this was the edge, and if you don't seal it with the water, it might open up when it's in the oven.
Okay.
All right. So then what I did, I took, well, let me cut off my edges. Okay.
Is that the $56,000 knife?
This is not.
Oh.
That's why it cuts like that, because I took the $56,000 knife home with me. I was using it at home.
That's right, because you were closed for 10 days.
That's right.
Because of no power in New Jersey.
Right. So what I do next is take some egg whites with a pastry brush, and I'm going to brush this cookie dough log
What does that do?
This is going to make it like more glue, because what I want to do is then take it over here.
Yeah.
And roll it into this bucket of sprinkles.
Why?
It incorporates some red. See the outside of those
Do you
cookies?
cook that all together?
Yeah, you can bake these, yep.
Oh, I thought you put them on at the end.
No, I put them on before. Now, I could stop here, guys, if I wanted to. In a production setting, like at the bakery, we would probably make 50 of these rolls, put them in the refrigerator or the freezer, and then slice them and bake them as we need them. Because we do everything, you know, in bulk here, so I wouldn't make just one little log. Yeah. I would do probably 50 of them and have them in the refrigerator and bake them off as I need them.
Yeah, I think these are really cool. I like these. Yeah. So now that you, what do you do next?
Okay, well, here is the log.
Okay.
And what I
That's a baked log.
No, this is still the same thing. This is a raw dough log. Okay. And then you just take the slices, like that, and put them on the sheet pan.
Oh, so wait a second. This log you're going to put in the freezer.
Exactly.
This log you're going to bake.
Exactly.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. You don't want to bake this whole log. You want to slice them and then bake the pieces.
I thought you were going to bake the whole log.
Yeah, sorry. I probably shouldn't have put it here.
No, it's just me because I'm not a baker. No. I don't know how to do anything.
That's the point, because people see me put that log on the sheet pan and they think, oh, just put it in the oven. No. Pay no attention to the log.
Yeah, just look at the pinwheels.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a pinwheel Christmas cookie.
All right, but what I wanted to show you guys is what I do with the scraps here.
Yeah.
You don't want to really, throw that out.
I give them to Steph so she can make her stupid cake pop videos.
What I did was a little extra candy cane cookie.
Oh, and there's one missing.
Yeah, I wonder where that one went.
I don't know. Let me ask Santa. Santa, did you eat it? Go ahead. So wait.
Then you just take your scrap pieces from the edges.
Okay.
And I'm going to make little candy cane cookies like this. And then see how the color is swirled?
Yeah.
And then you twist it. One end goes one way. Sort of like, remember when we made the snail danishes?
Yes.
And I twisted them like that.
Oh.
And then you just turn it down for a candy cane.
So now let me ask you a question.
2 in 1.
This candy cane is actually this candy cane.
Yeah.
So that's the size of it.
It's going to spread a little bit.
So look at this, you guys. That's the scrap, and that's the big one. Again, don't cook the whole log like this. She's cutting. Go back to cutting the log. Cut one more piece of it.
Yeah, here's the log.
It's not baked.
It is raw.
It is raw. And she's cutting the log. Please cut the log.
Please cut the log. Do not bake the log whole.
Yeah, do not bake the log whole. Cut the log. Somebody cut the log.
Who cut the log? Right?
That's where it was going.
I know where you're going. Trust me. I know where you're going.
Yeah, who cut the log?
I know who.
Yeah, oh yeah. I'm gonna shell Stephanie out now, everybody. Yeah.
All right, everybody. 2 for 1 special here, Crumb Boss TV. I show you how to make pinwheel cookies, and from the